Are you tired of mosquitoes turning every summer evening into an itchy nightmare? Imagine enjoying your time outdoors, without the bites, without the chemicals, and without spending a fortune. Well, today I'll show you how to make a simple, all-natural mosquito repellent that actually works. And you can whip it up in just minutes using ingredients you probably already have at home. Now you might be wondering, why not just grab one of those store-bought sprays? Here's the problem. Commercial insect repellents are filled with harsh chemicals. Not only are they expensive, but constant exposure, especially when you're spraying it on your skin or inhaling it while you sleep, can take a toll on your health. Long-term use of synthetic products on the skin isn't recommended either. That's why a natural alternative is the way to go. It's safer, just as effective, and incredibly easy to make. Let's dive in and make it together. Start with 300 milliliters of warm water and add 1 tablespoon of dried mint. Mint has a powerful aroma mosquitoes absolutely hate. Its essential oil contains menthol, which is a natural repellent. You can use mint in any form: fresh leaves, dried leaves, or even a few drops of peppermint oil. Next, add lavender. You can use 1 tablespoon of dried lavender flowers or just a few drops of lavender essential oil. Not only does it smell amazing and promote relaxation, but it also repels mosquitoes and even helps soothe the skin if you've already been bitten. Now squeeze in 100 milliliters of lemon juice. Citrus scents drive mosquitoes crazy, and lemon naturally contains limonene, a compound proven to repel them. Plus, lemons are something you almost always have in the kitchen. Finally, add half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Its strong, spicy aroma is another thing mosquitoes stay far away from. On top of that, the active compounds in cinnamon help boost the overall strength of this homemade spray. Once all your ingredients are in, let the mixture sit for a few hours so the natural oils can infuse. After that, strain it, dilute it with half a liter of water, and you've got yourself a full liter of powerful mosquito repellent. Completely natural, totally safe, and very effective. You can spray it directly onto your skin, mist it around furniture, spray it on plants, or even leave it in open containers around the house to keep mosquitoes far away. And that's it. A simple, budget-friendly, chemical-free mosquito repellent you can make at home in just a few minutes. If you found this recipe helpful, make sure to hit the like button and share it with your friends, because nobody deserves to spend their summer scratching mosquito bites. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video on how to get rid of pests with baking soda.